everybody, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to show you a cool little project that I just finished. Took me about an hour and a half to build this thing, cost me about 80 bucks. I'll put links below to where you can get the dual trumpet and compressor train horn, air horn kit on Amazon, and then I bought this Ryobi drill for about 60 bucks on Amazon. But you know, only took me about an hour and a half to build. I'll show you a quick little build process of what it took to build this thing, but it's pretty loud, about 120 decibels. And it's portable. You can use them at, you know, your kids' sports games or wherever you want to scare someone. Indoors, it's even louder. But let's jump into the build. All right, impact train horn build has begun. All right, got the drill apart, just 6 screws. Remove the entire motor assembly. I had to snip the positive and negative off with that. And we're gonna solder the negative and positive to these female adapters here. Okay, got them soldered up. Cleaned it up with a little heat shrink tubing. All right, installed the battery just to do a quick test, make sure the compressor works. Yep, it works. All right, gotta do a little grinding so the compressor fits. I'm kind of boring out the houses. Might take a few minutes. Boring it all out, definitely the messiest part of the job. All right, that was the most messy and the least fun of the project, but she fits. All right, now boring out the other side. All right, getting the trumpets mounted on the back. All right, there she is, about 90% complete. Looking pretty cool. All I have to do is attach the airline to the top here, cut it to length, slip it over. We'll be good to go. All right, now for a decibel check. I'm kind of next to a road, so there is some noise. If I'm not talking, you can see it's around 50, 55 maybe. We'll hit the horn, see what it sounds like, or what it gets up to. 116, pretty loud. Again, if you'd like to know where you can buy the components to build this yourself, I'll put them below. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next video.